Amtrak's over there, or he's already passed, so he can't. We don't know if he's over there, or he's that way. At least I got to see this thing coming through. I didn't even notice him until the headlight. Yeah? He's gonna be here for a while. Imagine if Amtrak's down there and hold up. Because that's a two-way bridge, so he's coming this way. There's a stop sign down there for him, too. So we don't know if he stopped or not. He's probably trying to switch onto this track. Amtrak always goes on this track, the first one right here. Amtrak always goes right to this track. Yeah, so they're waiting for him to get through. What was that about? What was that? Oh, don't tell me there's an accident about to happen. Don't tell me the nut grass is gonna come out and it's gonna slide around. Because he's so done for. It wouldn't kill us, but it would get in the way. They can't come off the rails like that. Oh. That's why this is here. So you have a distance so you can back away in time. Imagine if we could get the Amtrak to come this way on the track. This is a big boy though. Amtrak's coming though. We didn't push Amtrak. That was not his horn. No, that wasn't his horn, right? It was from him. I know the horn different. I should have realized freight was coming. I knew he was. After he's out. Yeah? Yeah. Look at how cold this looks. My heart right now is actually not in a bad mood anymore. We don't know if he has power in the back. He might have power in the middle or the back. It's called BCU. It's other power in the back. What? The end already? The end? There's a switch around there, so he's probably waiting for this dude to move. Oh, there he is. Dang! See that device?
What is that?
It's the end. It's for the